So guys, I am here with the next class. Finally we have created a domain and we run the theme. In this video I'm going to give you some of examples, like a big brand, they are using WordPress, like TechCrunch, the New Yorker, BBC America. Okay, so these all of site they are using WordPress. So in this video we are also going to use a WordPress theme. So first of all, this theme I uploaded by default, so I have already buy one theme from the Envato Market. Okay, so first we are going to start with the simple theme like this theme I already buy. Then next we will go to this theme. Okay, after we will buy one theme like as I explained before, this site is related to data Europe. So we are going to buy one theme related to Europe. So just I click here and I'm going to sign in. So download. I have these two themes. One is Shifa, other is AdForest. So I'm going to download Shifa. So we are going to run this site smoothly and I will teach you how you will upload theme in your WordPress. You can buy here and you can search in Google, find free WordPress themes. Okay, here see 60 best free responsive theme for WordPress 2019, 70 theme, 75 theme, WordPress theme, feature free WordPress org. So I open one and this. Any of the theme you can download and install in WordPress. How will install I will explain. Okay, so there is maximum and very good themes you can use. If you want to see more, you can see here preview and you can check how the sites look like. Okay, or you can click on here, see how is sites all. If you want to click this site, you guys can see this theme how is best free theme. Okay, and if you view document update pro, this theme also available in pro version, okay, and free version. So live demo, you can see here, you can test also how is look like mobile phone, tablet and small phone. Okay, so see how these themes is look like. Any of the feature you can choose. For example, I need this feature, so I'm going to use this feature. I need to see the demo. See demo how looks. Okay, so like this you can download any theme and you can see preview and everything. This themes is totally free but have pro version. In Envato Market, if I click next video, okay, so I'm going to use a theme. Where is this theme? And I'm going to use here dating WordPress theme. So first, this is the dating WordPress theme. You can see 2K share, and this is second theme, sweet date, and that's it. So this is the theme. I'm going to choose a live preview and you can see here below all the features, sign up, color, membership, everything available here, view full changelog. Then we have next, this is I think preview, and we have next theme. You can see these themes, this theme also available Android app. Theme name is sweet date, and you can see here available are packages and all the things. Okay, so now we are going to I will show you live preview these themes and these themes. So this is with slider, wider and car slider. So we'll go for this. See these themes. You need to create account, latest registration number. It all start with the date, join free, our TV commercial, sweet stories for our lovers, top member, recent active member and group. So this is the site and have a footer menu very looking. Okay, so in the last video, last theme which we are going to upload on our site is I will choose the best theme for my site. Okay, so I'm going to download Shifa. If I click here, you see all files, documentation, installable WordPress, license certificate, purchase code, PDF, license certificate, purchase code in text. So first I go for license, then I'm going to install WordPress file only. So these themes is going to install. Okay, so I open folder. Here we have one theme, so this I'm going to delete. So now just log into your site, like I'm logging date in Europe, and now I'm going dashboard. I will teach you two ways how you can upload a theme. So I'm going here, USA cPanel. Okay, so here you can came on appearance theme. You can see here free theme already available 2019, 2017, 2016 and 2020. If you want to preview, live preview, you can choose here. Any theme you need for your site, is you think this is best for your site, you can choose. You see that in Europe they already put my name logo by default. So I'm going to add here. You can click add, upload theme. If you click and drag and drop here, it will start. If you want to choose by system, you can choose. So I'm going to drag and drop. So I'm going to drop here or choose. I think it's not showing, so I'm going here document and this. When choose, then click on install. So guys, this theme is unpacking now. I'm going to activate. So now I'm going to open my theme, and you can see this theme already open. Okay guys, the next method is click on cPanel. Okay, open your cPanel and I click on file manager and then public, and I'm going to click on date in Europe. This is my site. So WP content, you see here theme. I click on theme and you will see this edu expert Shifa 20 this all. So I don't need these themes. I'm going to delete, confirm, and this all theme I don't need. Shift, and I am going to delete this all theme. No need to take space from my website. If you want to upload theme, one method by dashboard, second method you can upload by here. If you click on here upload, you can select file. Okay, so let me delete this one. So I'm going to show you here live. Some of the file you cannot upload direct in dashboard. So now if you click no theme, this theme directly, Shifa does not exist and my site will not work because I already deleted all the themes. So now I'm going to click on upload theme, select file and click here. You see this uploading. After 100%, click on go back. WP content and theme. See these themes 3.55 MB. If you click here and right click on extract, then same is extract file and wait. So you guys can see this file already extracted, and close and refresh this. So I'm going to refresh also this. You see our theme is ready now again, Shifa. And if I click here and WP content theme, and this I don't need because it's 3.55 MB. I have deleted. Okay, so I'm going back. So for the cPanel, no need, we will see in the next video. Another video I will give you the main point and main things related to cPanels. So now my site is ready to upload a content. So next, dashboard. By default any of the site, okay, by default any of the site you will see dashboard like that. WP admin, you see the dashboard and it's recommended this theme require following plugin. So I dismiss, and welcome to WordPress, customize your site, this all the things by default, so leave it like that. First is okay. Next we have option here, new post, media, page slider, user, and if you go like that, so we have all the things by this menu bar. And here is user profile. If you want to update user profile, you will we'll go by one, step by step. So in this video we are going to stop and we'll meet in the next video. So continue with me. Thank you.